एवरीवन, चलो आज थोड़ा मेकअप करते हुए बातें करते हैं अबाउट हाउ आइरिस वाज बॉर्न. So after coming back from New York, I started teaching makeup. During that time, I noticed something. India में या तो ultra expensive makeup brushes है और the dirt cheap ones. That was the time I realized we need a homegrown luxury, yes, quality products in India, and that was going to be my niche. After that, I started ideating about the brand, like what would be the name, colors, logo, brand aesthetics and everything. और साथ ही साथ में I started attending fairs and expo to find a perfect makeup brushes. बहुत सारे research, trials, errors ये सब के बाद we finally went live on February 2020. This is how we started Iris. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be telling you all the challenges we faced while starting Iris. Okay, bye, see you.